Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you today? I hope all of you are okay. So, today we will take a new lesson, a new unit. We will take a lot of information this week. If you open your book on Unit 2, let's go and open our books on this Unit 2. If you look at this page quickly, we will take or we will learn some of the important points we will cover on this unit. Actually, I like this unit more than Unit 1. In Unit 1 or on Unit 1, we took verb to be am, is, are. We learned how to use it in a sentence. طبعا باليونت اللي قبلها Unit 1 we took أخذنا اللي هي الام, is, are. We know how to use it in a sentence, how to build the sentence باستخدام الام والis والare, making questions أو answering questions. لكن باليونت هذا السوى يونت راح ناخذ vocabulary, words, اسماء الاشياء, البن, pencil, what is pen, what is pencil, what is chair, desk, home, room. راح ناخذ a lot of information. راح ناخذ الجرامر نهاية اليونت. طبعا ما راح ناخذ كثير فيها, ما راح ناخذ يعني نتعمق فيها زي اليونت اللي قبل, والسبب because الverb to be اللي اخذناه بيونت 1 كان اساسي, foundation, مهم جدا انك تعرفها. الان بس راح نضيف على اللي اخذناه قبل location, and also راح ناخذ subject pronouns. راح ناخذ subject pronouns بالاضافة لها اللي اخذناه. طبعا راح ناخذ شيء بسيط, not much of stuff. But before we take the grammar and all the stuff, we will begin with classroom objects. If you go in your classroom right now, you can see around you some objects, some stuff around you, like for example the chair, the desk, table, pen, pencil, projector, whiteboard. All of these are what? Classroom objects. So we will take and learn the vocabulary and the meaning of these objects. Also, we will learn about rooms in your home. In your home, if you live in a house or in an apartment, we call it what? Home. If you live in the house, big house, you call it what? Home. If you live in a small apartment, even if you're by yourself, one room, we also call it home. This is your home. So we will learn rooms in the home. What does it mean, rooms in the home? It means like, what is this what do we call this room? We call it living room. What do we call that room? We call it what? Bedroom. So we will learn these types of rooms. Also, we learn cities and nationalities. For example, we'll take Riyadh city, Jeddah, Dammam, Dubai, Kuwait, Doha, London, Paris. هذه what we call these cities. And nationalities. For example, I am Saudi, you are Saudi, he is Qatari, he is Egyptian, he is British, he is American. We call it what? Nationality. American, British, هذا ايش? A nationality أو nationalities حقتهم. So here places around town. Now for example, if you look Jeddah, around Jeddah, what do you have around Jeddah? You have the beach, you have some places you can like for coffee shops. So places around town, places يعني برا, outside the city, but near, so you can go and have fun. For example, in Riyadh we have the desert. The only place around the town, the place around town is to go and have fun in the desert. So let's go now to the next page, introduction. So we have here the vocabulary preview for the objects around you, not only in the classroom but around you. This is what? Pen. You can find the pen in your house or in your what? In your classroom. or in your room, whatever, on the kitchen. You maybe find the pin in the kitchen, so you have to know the name of it. So you just look here at the number here, and you look here. So number one, what is it? Pin. Two, if you look at number two, you look here, what? Pencil. So first I will read all of these for you, and then I will ask you to read them after me. Okay, just listen now, relax, listen, focus, and then I will repeat it again, and you have to say it after me. So number one, what is it? Pen. Two, pencil. Three, book. Four, desk. Five, computer. Six, bank. Seven, supermarket. Eight, post office. Nine, restaurant. 10, library. 11, living room. 12, dining room. 13, kitchen. 14, bedroom. 15, bathroom. So we know pen, we know pencil, we know book, desk, computer. 6, what is this? This one. 6, bank. Bank, for example, we have in Saudi, we have Al-Rajhi Bank, Al-Bilad Bank, Samba Bank. These are what? Banks. When you go, you give them your money, or you deposit your money, and then you take it, or you can, and then you later you can take it back. This is what? Bank. Here 7, what is this? Supermarket. Supermarket, we also call it supermarket, so this one is easy. 8, post office. What does it mean, post office? For example, if you know DHL, FedEx, all of the Aramex, all of these, we call them what? They're not post office, but they are like for the Saudi mail service, Barid Saudi. This is what? Post office. And FedEx, DHL, they are what? Mail office, because they are not local. 9, restaurant. Restaurant, for example, you have what? McDonald's, Burger King. These we call them what? Restaurants. 10, library. Library, when you can see books, a lot of books. You can go and read books. We call this what? Library. 11, what is this? 11, look here, you have chairs, you have table, you have what inside your home? We call it what? Living room. When you go and have a seat, relax, talk with your family, or you can have your friends, and you can watch TV there. We call it what? Living room. We have this one, table, chairs, 4 chairs. We call this dining room. When you put your food here and eat with your family or by yourself, we call it what? Dining room. Where you go, take the food and go in that room and eat. We call it dining room. 13, kitchen. I think it's obvious. What does kitchen mean? You have the refrigerator, the oven, the stove, the sink, the microwave. We call this what? Kitchen. 14, you have the bed. Okay, you have the light. So we call it what? We call it bedroom. We call it bedroom. 15, this one is what? Bathroom. We call it, what do we call it? Bathroom. Now I will repeat again, okay, the words here, the vocabulary, and I want you to repeat after me to make sure again that you pronounce it correctly. Okay. 1, pen. 2, pencil. 3, book. 4, desk. 5, computer. 6, bank. 7, supermarket. 8, post office. 9, restaurant. 10, library. 11, living room. 12, dining room. 13, kitchen. 14, bedroom. 15, bathroom. Okay, excellent job, guys. Now let's go and begin with our lesson for today, the classroom objects. So this is what in the classroom. So look around you in your class, in your own class. What do you see around your class? So in this class we have a lot of stuff. So we will learn so many vocabulary. Now look here. We will look again. Look at number 1. We have what? We have pen. Do you see here? This is pen. Number 1, pen. 2, book. 3, pencil. 4, notebook. Do you see notebook? The notebook is what you write down your notes. You take your notes, what the teacher or the professor said in the class. We call this what? Notebook. So this is the book. This is the book. Side by side one. We call it book. And this is the notebook. 5, bookshelf. This is what we call this one, the box. This one looks like a box. We call it shelf. 6, globe. We call this the globe. For example, the earth, all the earth, the image, this one, the ball, we call it globe. 7, map. This is map. This is a map. 8, board. This is a board. Some people they call it what? Whiteboard. It is black, right? Correct, it is black. But some people they call it what? Whiteboard. Okay, board. So just say board. Memorize it as board, so you'll not be confused. 9, wall. This is the wall. This is a wall. We call this what? Wall. So this is wall. 10, clock. This is the clock. This is the clock. 11, bulletin board. We call this what? Bulletin board. For example, if you have notes, there is no class tomorrow, they put a paper. If you have a homework, they will put a paper here. If they have a newspaper ad, very important newspaper ad, they put it here. So we call this what? Bulletin board. Maybe you have it in your class, or maybe you have it outside the class, exactly outside your class, on the left or the right, on the same the hall, down the hall you may find one like it. We have what? 12, computer. We have, this is the computer. This is the computer. You have what? The screen, keyboard, mouse. We call this what? Computer. 13, table. This is the table. This is the table. 14, chair. This is the chair. 14. 15, ruler. This is the ruler. 16, desk. And 17, dictionary. For example, you don't know what does table mean. You don't know what does it mean, table. You don't know. So you go and open the dictionary to check the meaning of table. This is what we call a dictionary. So now I will go back and see the similarities in the classroom. For example, we have 16 and 13. Look here, we call this what? Table. The big one, we call it what? Table. But this one, we call it what? Desk. So the one the teacher uses is what? We call it what? Table. But the one you use is what? We call it what? Desk. Yes, correct. Now I will repeat the words again, and I want you to repeat them after me, okay, to make sure you pronounce each word correctly. Now, okay, let's begin. Say after me, please. 1, pen. 2, book. 3, pencil. 4. Notebook. 5. Bookshelf. 6. Globe. 7. Map. 8. Board. 9. Wall. 10. Clock. 11. Bulletin board. 12. Computer. 13. Table. 14. Chair. 15. Ruler. 16. Desk. 17. Dictionary. 17. Dictionary. Okay, excellent job, guys. You did very well. So now we learned on this unit a lot of vocabulary. You have to go home, memorize them correctly, and know each one of them. So now we will go again quickly, very quickly, and check the next page, page 9. We have what? An exercise. We will not take all of the exercise. We will just take this part, and in the next class we will take this part. Okay, now I want you to look at this exercise. Where is it? Now we will use what? This is verb to be, okay, plus what? Location. So here they are asking what? For the location. Asking for what? For the location of the object, the thing you are looking for. So now the question here, if you look here, where is the book? Where is the book? So they are asking about the book. Where is it? Look here, he's asking where is the book. He does not know where is the book, but she knows where is the book. So she said what? It's on the desk. So here we have what? This lesson is about. We have, this is the verb to be, is. Do you remember verb to be plus a location؟ هذا عندنا الverb to be وهذا اللوكيشن. عندنا الis أو ممكن يكون عندنا are أو يكون عندنا am زائد plus location on the desk. هذا هو اللي نسميه location، مكان. This is the location on the desk. السؤال هو where is the book؟ قالت she responds ردت it's on the desk. مكانه وين؟ موقع location on the desk. هنا سألت she asks where's the map؟ where is the map؟ where's the map؟ ايش قال هو؟ it's on the wall. it's on the wall. عندنا verb to be plus وشو؟ عندنا location. طيب next one, where is the computer؟ where is the computer؟ she responds it's on the table. it's on the table. طبعا كل الأجوبة لو تلاحظون if you focus ترجع للسلايد اللي قبل كلها أسئلة عن الأوبجكتس اللي عندنا هنا سلايد هذا باللسن هذا on this page. So if you look here كلها objects وين راح يسأل عنها. نعم أنا بسألكم سؤال. I will ask you a question to make sure you understand. Now where is نشوف هنا where is the globe? the globe number 6 where is it? where's the globe؟ هذا شو نسميه؟ what do we call this؟ اللي عند الجلوب اللي في تحت الجلوب we call it what؟ bookshelf. معناتها then we say what؟ where is the globe؟ تقول لي it is on the bookshelf. it is on the bookshelf. هذا راح يكون الجواب. يعني for example لو نكتبها كتابة if I ask you a question like this for example if I go and write right here if I write right here exactly if I write for you the question where's Where's the globe? You answer what? If you look in your book, so the book is where is the globe? It's on, you say what? It is on the book shelf. It is on the bookshelf. So you use the same way to answer. So I will ask you another question. This is the last question. Because after, in the next lesson, we will take more examples. You have to go and revision what we covered and these two examples, and then I will ask you more questions about it. Now let's look here. What do we have? We have what? Board. Where's the board? You say what? Where is the board? We call this what? Wall. This is the wall. So we say it is on the wall. Very simple. Let's take another example. Where's the ruler? Look here. If you look here, where is the ruler? This is number 15. So we say what? It is on the what do we call it? Do we call it table or disk? Yes, disk. Correct. Be careful. It is on the disk. Okay, guys. Excellent job. Now we will stop now, and then we will take next lesson. We will cover the next exercise. We will take more examples. We'll take all the examples here. We will ask about them, all of them, the same way. Verb to be plus location راح نعرف نتأكد منه. And then we will take what? You will answer these questions. طبعا هنا غير أماكن الأشياء. الأوبجكتس غير أماكنها. مطلوب منك تعرف تحدد وين مكانها. راح نحلها مع بعض. We'll do it together. راح تكتبون بالنوت بوك دفتر ملاحظات. Okay guys, thank you very much. See you inshallah next lesson.